They are the names that once ruled the consumer electronics world. But then along came the Koreans, and now those same Japanese giants are drowning in red ink. The problem for companies like Sony and Panasonic is it's very, very difficult to make money out of making televisions these days. The technology is now well understood, and you can make them anywhere in the world. And it's much cheaper to make them in Korea or China than it is to make them here. So what are they going to do instead? This is what Hitachi has done. It's gone back to its roots in heavy engineering. Hitachi's boss believes there is a huge market for its engineering skills, especially in the developing world.
Especially the developing countries, they don't have any engineering teams. So we have, so that not simply of the selling of the machineries, but also that some of the engineering plannings, in some cases that financing schemes, those are total planning. We can do that.